guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve this makeup look. If you're interested, please keep on watching. So I've already moisturized my face. Now I'm going to use the Instant Moisturize Glow from YSL. For this look, I want my skin to look very moisturized, glowing and dewy. All my foundations are matte finish, so I'm going to mix my NARS foundation with a liquid highlighter from Marc Jacobs. I'm going to mix them together and apply this on my face. I've never done this before, so this might go terribly wrong, but I'm just going to give it a go. So I'm just going to put this on a small tray. And I'm just going to take a small few pumps, that should be enough, and I'm going to mix it together. Now the mixture is ready. Now I'm going to apply this with a damp beauty blender. Oh my god, it works! I do want full coverage, so I'm going to go with 2 layers of foundation. Now I'm going to apply some concealer, and I'm using the one from NARS, Radiant Creamy Concealer. Now with the same beauty blender, I'm just blending this out. Now I'm going to bake my under eye with a MAC loose powder in the shade Light Plus. Now I'm going to leave this to set. In the meantime, I'm going to contour my face with a Bobbi Brown foundation stick in the shade Walnut. With the other end of the beauty blender, I'm just going to blend this out. Now I'm going to bronze my face with a MAC Give Me Sun bronzer, and I'm going to use my MAC 100 brush, and I like to go in with a circular motion. And I like to take this all the way to my forehead and just blend the contour. Now I'm going to dust off the excess powder under my eyes. Now I'm going to fill in my eyebrows with a MAC Dip Down Brow Gel, and I'm just using an angled brush to do this. First I like to do my outlines, and then I like to fill them in. And now I'm just going to fill them in. And I like to start from the end of the brow and then work my way up. Next I'm taking the eyeshadow primer from MAC in the shade Soft Ochre. I'm just applying a very thin layer of primer. Next I'm taking a Huda Obsession palette and I'm going to mix this shade and that as a transition shade. And the brush I'm using is from NYX. Now with a tapered brush from Morphe, I'm going to apply this shade on my crease. Now from the same palette I'm going to use this champagne shade there, and I'm using my MAC synthetic brush number 242 to do this. Now with a blending brush from Bare Minerals, I'm going to blend this out. I'm going to go back with the same brown shade over my crease line because I want more depth to it. So I'm just adding the same brown shade. And I'm just going to blend it out now. With the leftovers of my brush, I'm just going to smoke out the bottom lash line. Now I'm taking the same champagne shade and I'm just going to apply this on the bottom of my brows. Next I'm going to line my lips with a Rimmel liquid liner. Next I'm going to apply some mascara from YSL. Next I'm going to apply some kohl liner from Maybelline. Next I'm going to highlight my face and I'm going to use the one from MAC in the shade Soft and Gentle. And I'm going to apply this with a MAC brush number 240. This is my favorite brush to apply highlighter. Now I'm going to apply blush from Max Factor in the shade Lovely Pink. I'm going to apply this with a blush brush from Makeup Geek. Next I'm going to apply some false lashes and I'll be right back. Now I've got my eyelashes on. Next I'm going to line my lips with a Makeup Revolution lip liner in the shade Queen. Next I'm going to apply matte lipstick in the shade Relentlessly Red. This is a red lipstick with a bright pink undertone to it. Now I'm going to apply a liquid lipstick from MAC in the shade Feel So Grand. And I'm just going to apply this outlining the lips. Now I'm going to finish off with a setting spray. It's a dewy finish from NYX. And so this is the complete look. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!